Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, awareness in the workplace. In this course, you will learn how trauma and post-traumatic stress disorder can affect people at work, often in ways that are not immediately visible. We will explore what trauma is, the different ways it can be experienced, and how stress responses can influence thoughts, moods, and actions over time. You will learn how PTSD can show up at work through changes in behavior, communication, attendance, focus, and performance, and why it is important to avoid assumptions about what someone is going through. We will use the mental health continuum to help you understand how mental health can shift and how to recognize common signs that someone may be struggling. You will also learn what supportive responses look like in real workplaces, including the role of coworkers, peer support, and respectful conversation. We will cover a common question: should I tell my employer if I am struggling, and what it means to ask for help while protecting privacy and sharing only what is necessary. Finally, we will explain Workers' Safety and Compensation Commission legislation, including employer and worker responsibilities, and how recovery can be supported through safe, practical accommodations and a gradual return to work plan. By the end of this course, you will have clear, workplace-focused strategies that help create a safer and more supportive environment for everyone. Northern Realities and Resilience. This course also includes a dedicated module that respectfully explores the trauma experienced by Indigenous peoples, including the lasting impacts of residential schools and the realities of intergenerational trauma, recognizing how these experiences continue to affect individuals, families, and communities today. Indigenous peoples have brought strength, adaptability, and community-based knowledge into the workplace, even while carrying the impacts of trauma. Knowledge checks will be used throughout the course to assess your understanding. Final exam completion with a minimum score of 80% will result in a certificate that is valid for 3 years. Register for PTSD awareness in the workplace at nsa-nt.ca.